about that story that broke last night in the Washington Post?
Unbelievable.
About what's happening with the NSA. It turns out they did a self-audit. The conclusions are pretty disturbing.
Well, they are. Remember how we've been reassured by this administration and various members of Congress that don't worry, we're not spying on you. This information we're gathering is just to defeat terrorists. It has nothing to do with spying on Americans. Well, it turns out last year, according to an internal audit, 2,776 times the NSA violated that standard. Now, keep in mind, this is not a fact that they reported to Congress or even to the administration. There's basically no oversight here. This is reported to us in leaked documents given to the Washington Post. So Congress didn't even know this.
Yeah, and what we've been told all along is there are checks and balances built into the system. And so average Americans shouldn't be worried because there's somebody checking on somebody else with each decision that's made. But this secret FISA court, you know, of the judges appointed by the Chief Justice, John Roberts, now they are even saying we have no way to make sure the government actually follows what we tell them to do. There's no check on our decisions.
Right. Well, it turns out, in their defense, most of these violations were unintended, they say. They say these are human beings. Here's the quote. We're a human-run agency operating in a complex environment with a number of different regulatory regimes. So at times, we find ourselves on the wrong side of the line. And one time, for example, they thought they were tracking Egypt, which is a 2-0 country code.
Right.
They were attacking Washington at 202. So they ended up looking at a whole bunch of 212 numbers, American numbers. So their intention could still have been in the right way.
That's
but
right.
their execution could have ended up violating.
But even if these were honest mistakes, and presumably most of them were honest mistakes, there was still deception around them. Keep in mind, in June, we were told by this administration, we're going to be as transparent as possible. This is what the Deputy Attorney General said at the time, quote, every now and then there may be a mistake. Oh, yeah, well, about 3,000 of them. And they've hidden this from the public. So if you make mistakes, probably best to own up to them.
Yeah, and if there's no check on anybody, you can't rectify them or know they've been made.
So we saw Michael Hayden come forward, former Vice President Dick Cheney come forward and defend the premise of the program. And now we find out the people that are executing the program as it got bigger weren't doing it in a way in which I guess wasn't disciplined.